This drone is specifically designed to shoot you in the water. This is the HoverAir Aqua and it's the first self-driving waterproof drone. And we're trying it out in this video. Good day, you beautiful people. Today's video is quite unique because it's not every day that we talk about a gadget that I feel like starts a whole new category of tech. This is the HoverAir Aqua and it's designed to shoot you in the water doing things. Basically, this thing is a drone that's not only waterproof, it's also salt waterproof, which in itself is a feat because while a lot of gadgets are waterproof, not a lot of them are salt waterproof. And finally, what's really cool about this drone is that it's self-driving, meaning it has tracking capabilities. You won't even need to learn how to fly a drone if you want to use this. Like, you don't need a drone pilot to fly or maneuver this. The HoverAir Aqua is designed to be used in the water, so we headed to the beach. So basically how this works, there's this thing that's called a lighthouse, and we call it that for obvious reasons. And this lighthouse is how the HoverAir Aqua will track you. All that means though is you can focus on whatever you're doing on the water because once the drone is up in the air, it will just follow you without you needing to do anything more. Of course, I decided to give it a whirl. First, we threw it in the water. Quite interesting about this drone is that yes, it can take off from water. And it can even turtle flip itself if it's upside down. Whoa! So that it's right side up and can launch. So all you need to do to get this drone in the air is to press the launch button on the lighthouse and the HoverAir Aqua takes off and locks on you and follows you around. This thing shoots in 4K up until 100 FPS and can reach 55 kilometers per hour with level 7 wind resistance. When you're done flying, you can just press the return button on that lighthouse and it'll make the HoverAir Aqua return to you. And at this point, you just catch it and flip it and you're done. This is the drone up close and all around it are these bumpers that will float on the water as you saw earlier. This whole thing isn't heavy at all. It has 4 propellers at the bottom, then there's that camera up front, and then that lens. It repels water so that you get your shot without getting droplets on there. On the drone itself, you also get a screen and you can play back your videos on here. You have buttons on here too because while this drone does connect to an app, you can fly it without needing to connect to that app. That makes sense, especially if you're out at the beach flying this thing, you really wouldn't want to need to bring out your phone to do so. So from here, you can cycle through over 15 smart flight modes. This basically informs what type of shooting or movement the drone does once you do launch it. Up here is the battery and this is all sealed. Each battery has a 23-minute flight time. The lighthouse, on the other hand, is pretty straightforward. You get a takeoff button at the middle, a return button down there, and some directional buttons that will maneuver the drone while flying. It comes with these straps because it is designed to be on you while you're flying the drone. And if you want to fly the drone yourself, you can also control the drone via the app or buy additional accessories to fly it. We have the HoverAir Aqua in the studio, so let's unbox and see what this drone comes with. I am headed to the beach this weekend, so I'm gonna be shooting with this more. Stay tuned for more shots on the HoverAir Aqua. HoverAir already pioneered a whole new drone experience when they released their self-flying drones. I gotta try it, and let me tell you, it's really cool and easy to shoot with. And now in the market, we're even seeing similar self-flying beginner drones. To me, it's quite interesting that ethos of creating tech so that you're able to focus on what you're doing and not have to worry about shooting what you're doing. I feel like that's a worthy premise to stand by, and it's a wonder why these self-flying HoverAir drones are a big hit. With the HoverAir Aqua though, they're taking it up a notch notch. And I'd say this is true innovation. I just didn't think that the orange tech that would impress me most this year would be one that flies. Before the HoverAir Aqua, what other options have you to shoot yourself doing water things? Action cam, 360 camera. Definitely the views from this will not compare. So this is just our first look at the HoverAir Aqua. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. Like I said, I will be testing this out more and I will be bringing this to the beach. So stay tuned for more stuff. I'll be posting shot on this thing. That's it for today's video. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's Isa Does _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.